Welcome to the School of Agriculture at GIET University, Gunupur, where the tradition meets innovation. Whether you are passionate about farming, agribusiness, or sustainability, you have entered to the world of opportunities.
Our state-of-the-art labs give you a chance to turn theory into practice. From soil science to plant genetics and advanced technology and field-based learning, which empower our students to innovate and inspire, which makes a difference.
Guided by experienced faculties, researchers, and industry experts, our students are prepared to lead the future of sustainable agriculture. They are not just experts in their fields, they are the mentors who care, guide, and inspire each and every student to reach their full potential.
Here, learning goes beyond classrooms and we learn by doing. Our students are already out in the fields. They gain real-time experience through live demonstration plots, hands-on research, precision farming practices, solving real-world problems, and helping to feed for the future. Agriculture is more than the farming. It's sustainability, innovation, technology, and science.
Our mission is to nurture thinkers, leaders, and researchers who will transform Indian agriculture and beyond.
In GIET University School of Agriculture, we believe agriculture is not just a profession, it's a passion. Our students work with latest agriculture technologies, starting from precision farming tools to sustainable practices that shapes the future.
Join the School of Agriculture, GIET University, Gunupur,
Where your passion for the future of food,
sustainability and technology,
And innovation can truly thrive.
And grow your dreams into reality.